Want to learn how to get premium on your Amino account? I'll teach you how to do it today. Welcome back to Tutorials Point. Before starting, you can subscribe to our channel for more videos and updates. I am already logged in. Make sure you are as well. Now, tap on this Me option on the bottom right corner. Tap on these 3 straight parallel lines on the top right corner. Tap on Membership below account. You can see that after being an official member of Amino and getting a premium, you will get the following facilities. That is custom chat bubbles, tons of stickers, discounted profile frames, and the list goes on. So for this, you can tap on try it for free with this orange background. Here you have 3 of the option. The most popular one is of 6-month membership where you can save 7% and it will cost you $12.99. The 3-month membership one is going to cost you $6.99 and the 12-month membership is going to cost you $25.99 where you can save 7%. It's the best value, but the most popular one is of 6-month one. So if you want to choose any one of these, I'm going to tap on this 6-month membership and then you can tap on start your 7-day free trial on the below. Now you can tap on add credit or debit card and then enter your particular credit or debit card, make the proper payment and be the official member of the Amino app itself. This will lead you to earn the premium easily and then you can be the official member of the Amino app itself and earn all of the benefits mentioned before. So this is how you do it. I have just guided you to the correct plus. You can go and do it easily. Otherwise you can even redeem with coins instead by tapping on this redeem with coins instead on the bottom. For this, you need to buy $4.99 per month or you need to have 499 coins per month. You can tap on buy as well by tapping on buy option. So you can see that these are all of the price, but I don't have enough coins. But if you have it, you can simply choose this option as well. So this is it. I have just guided you the correct plus. You can go and choose both of the methods and earn the premium. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, keep calm, stay safe, and goodbye.